Can you solve this equation? We have negative 2 plus x equals negative 1. This means there is a certain value that, when added to negative 2, results in negative 1. Let's find out what that value is. To solve for x, we need to isolate it on one side of the equation. This involves eliminating negative 2. The opposite of subtracting 2 is adding 2, so we add 2 to both sides of the equation. On the left side, negative 2 plus 2 cancels out, leaving just x. On the right side, negative 1 plus 2 equals positive 1. So the solution is x equals to 1. That's our final answer. Now let's verify it by substituting x equals 1 back into the original equation. Wherever we see x, we replace it with 1 and check if both sides remain equal. On the left-hand side, negative 2 plus 1 equals negative 1. On the right-hand side, we already have negative 1. Since both sides are equal, our solution is correct.